Hello, and we are having McDonald's. I'm having French fries and the double cheeseburger. And what are you having?
Quarter pounder.
Quarter pounder. You know, I always stuck to cheeseburgers, but now I'm eating the double cheeseburger. Every time I come here, it's more juicier. Tastes really good. I grew up eating McDonald's. How about you?
No, I didn't.
No?
Nope. I grew up eating rice and beans.
And steak, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I guess I was the junkie. I was the junk eater when I was little, when I was younger.
Steak, pork chops.
That's good. Good for you. Look at that burger. We're eating in the car. We're used to eating in the car. Especially with this pandemic stuff going on. We prefer eating in the car than going out there and sitting anywhere. Today I didn't get my sundae. I usually get a sundae with, and eat it with the French fries because it's like sweet and salty. But I didn't get that today. You hubby. Who's beating who? Let me see. Mine is the same size as yours.
I don't know.
I'm beating you. I'm beating my hubby. He still has fries to go through also. But yours is bigger, right, than the double cheeseburger, or no? Mine is a double cheeseburger.
It's
Yours
about
is
the same size.
Same size?
Yeah.
I'm sharing my burger with the YouTube people. And I'm sharing my fries with them. You don't share? You don't share with the YouTube people? Do you want some fries? Whoever's watching? I'll give you some. Okay, last bite on camera. All right, thanks for eating with us, and I hope you like the fries that we shared. Thanks for watching.